at the Abbey San Galgano, and this is where the real sword in the stone is located. And we're gonna go see it. Try to get some shots of the Abbey. We got a wedding going on. They kind of told us to avoid the Abbey for now. We'll go up and see if I can find this sword in the stone. I'm gonna shut it off to save my battery. All right, this is the walk up to the sword in the stone. And I'm not gonna film the entire walk, but you get the idea of the road in the hills of Tuscany. We're gonna go up. Ooh, that's a climb up. I'm still not done. I want to get a shot of this. There's a pretty little pond over here. You can see that or not. Nice little pond. Okay, this is the Abbey. A couple of bells and a bell tower. Again, I'm not sure if you can see the gorgeous view or not. Stunning. There, that's good. According to the tradition, these arms belong to one of the three envious men who in 1181, and while San Galgano was absent, tried to extract the sword from the stone, breaking it. His arms were then torn off by a wolf, friend of the saint. During this scientific investigations undertaken in 2001, the analysis with the carbon-14 method has dated these remains back to the 12th century, thus contemporary to San Galgano's times.